all. So you must have already seen the post where I've put the brown face mask. I have tried out the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret. I ordered it from Nykaa and I got it within 12 hours. So that's really amazing. And this was like a Sunday luxury that I wanted to do for myself. This is called the Moroccan Rasoul Clay Active Living Skin and Hair Care. You are supposed to take 1 tablespoon, mix it with, they said 1 tablespoon water, but I needed more. I put it up on my face and the instructions say that this is going to help moisturize your skin and revitalize it and remove all the fatigue and tiredness from the skin. I've heard a lot about this. I think Coralista put a post about it 2 days back. I really like her channel. She is a health beauty blogger and I really I mean, I get such positive vibes from her, and whatever she recommends, I think really makes a lot of sense. Anyhow, I have sensitive skin, but I also have combination skin, and it was mentioned to do a patch test, which I forgot to do. So I hope this is not some sort of a reaction, the redness which does not go. But it also mentions that because of the tightening of the skin, redness is expected, which will settle in half an hour. I took a soft washcloth to remove the pack because it did get tight, and I think I rubbed it a little hard on my forehead. So yes, there is definitely a lot of redness, and it is warm to touch. Normally, you know, when you get, but it's not that painful burning sensation that you get if after you bleach your face, and you know there's a lot of bleach in your face. So what I did was, after I wiped it off, I put the Laneige, you know, the white liquid, I don't know the name, I'm going to put it down below. After that, I put the Kaya Jwellini, yeah, the Jwellini oil, and then I still thought I needed some more on my face, so I added a few drops of Badam Rogan and I put that on my face. Now I've set a timer for half an hour. We'll see if this redness settles or not, and I'm going to come in and let you know my thoughts about it. Yeah, thank you so much. Hi guys, so I'm here outside in daylight and no filter. So this is how my skin is looking after 2 hours post taking off the mask. It did remain red and warm for a very long time. Coming back to my honest review, I think I really like this mask a lot. I will definitely use it again. The mask claims that it revitalizes your skin and it makes it look fresher, and it does make your skin tight, and it also moisturizes your skin, right? So I don't know if this has really moisturized my skin, because I did slap on a lot of oil because I was really scared my face did become really very red. But I like how my skin feels. It is definitely tighter, it feels taut, and the fine lines I feel have reduced here and here for sure. So my honest review, will I use it again? Yes, I will definitely use it again. A word of caution, one, please do a patch test before, and I think even if you don't have sensitive skin, for the first time I think you can just keep it on for maybe 10 minutes and build it up from there. And I have got their the world's best facial mask pack as well, which I think I'm going to use next Sunday, if not sooner, and I will post a review for that as well. Sincere apologies for the amateur video. I'm going to try and get better at this, but I think this is a mask which is good for women over 45. I did see a lot of difference in one use, so I am going to continue using this. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you again soon.